Hello, this is Yihan. Welcome to our Machine C2S product introduction program, which provides solutions for machinery equipment manufacturers. We hope to help machine manufacturers increase the value of their products to sell and serve more customers. Today, I will be introducing our maintenance service to you. In this video, I will talk you over 3 parts of our maintenance service and clarify the values we would like to help you as machine makers. This includes product introduction, product key features, and our software architecture. Preventive maintenance involves taking the necessary precautions and actions to prevent accidents or equipment failures from occurring before they happen. In order to reduce unplanned downtime and equipment failures, regular maintenance actions are important. We provide daily checks, regular schedules, annual survey, maintenance planning, and also establish a calendar feature to help you maintain your schedules and rules. When operating a factory, the health of your equipment is very important, and the efficient management of your machinery and people are crucial. The main challenges facing include unplanned downtimes, which affect the number of working hours that the machine can effectively produce, affecting your revenue. Poor machine management results in spending more manpower and resources on equipment checks, repairs and parts, and also high energy consumption, directly affecting the end customer and manufacturing users' energy costs. Taken together, they represent a significant impact on their production ROI, resource, and revenues. A well-scheduled preventive maintenance service can deliver the following benefits. First, the early detection of faults and regular maintenance work can reduce unplanned downtimes and costly repairs. Second, building a cohesive team of employees through the use of digital technology enhances their efficiency. For example, a mobile app can allow employees to provide immediate feedback and receive the latest information regarding any maintenance schedules in plan and also upcoming repair tasks. And because the implementation of the digital system, all the information is transparent and any changes in the field can be updated in real time. A regular repair service is a reactive repair schedule plan taken after a failure has already been reported and being scheduled by the maintenance team. And the maintenance is carried out to remedy the problem, which results in a shorter equipment lifespan and uptime. The introduction of a preventive maintenance system allows teams to perform maintenance operations ahead before actual failure occurs, which effectively expands the uptime of the equipment and maintained a lower level of emergency service requests. After understanding all the challenges faced by equipment operators, we launched a maintenance management solution. We designed a fully digital process management app which provides the flexibility for managing your engineering resources and mechanics. A visual dashboard screen was used to present the management data in a more clear and visible way to understand who and what resources are occupied on which maintenance task. And another remote control mechanism was provided through the mobile version of this software. Lastly, we provide 2 types of maintenance service. The first, time-based, and the second, usage-based. I will now introduce the key features, key processes, and interfaces of the entire service. Our maintenance management system currently includes a back-end web service and a front-end mobile service for the mobile app. Related work order creation, roles, and personal settings can all be configured using the back-end web service. The mobile version provides immediate job reporting and auditing services. Let me describe a user scenario to help you understand the entire service. On the far left is the trigger source of our maintenance service. It may come from regular maintenance requirements set by the machinery and equipment manufacturers for the customers, or can be automatically triggered by parameters collected from the equipment. Both these trigger sources require the equipment manufacturers to establish a trigger mechanism in the background. When the event is triggered, the maintenance engineer can update the maintenance process on their mobile phone. After the maintenance is completed, the status can be updated to notify the maintenance supervisor for review. All these processes will be recorded in the mobile and web version of the task logs so that any work being done can be tracked by the equipment vendors. We have designed 3 types of maintenance and inspection functions for the factory: daily inspection, regular maintenance, and annual maintenance. The factory can set the corresponding maintenance schedules according to their needs. Through an easy-to-use and clear UI design, the users can quickly import and improve the efficiency of equipment maintenance. Next, I will be detailing an explanation of the differences between these 3 types of maintenance. We provided an authority role function to make the maintenance management more in line with the requirements of use. There are mainly 4 roles. These are creator, maintainer, reviewer, and notified party. The creator has the authority to create work orders, cancel work orders, and reassign maintenance. Maintainers can update the maintenance status of their work order or choose to reject an assigned work item, causing a reassignment to happen. The reviewer is responsible for reviewing the work order completed by the maintenance engineer. They can choose to either pass or fail the item. When all the reviewers pass the work order, the maintenance is considered to be complete. The notified party can view the progress and history of work orders, but does not have the authority to manage work orders. Next, I'll be giving you an in-depth introduction to the different types of maintenance work orders. There are 3 of them. Daily check is for daily operations in the factory in order to ensure the normal operations of machines. There may be some items that need to be checked daily, so we provide this check option to allow managers to schedule daily work orders. Through the e-presentation, it is possible to track the daily checklist and inspection of history records, and to trace and manage the allocation of human resources through these records. The second type of maintenance is regularly scheduled maintenance. The regular maintenance of equipment can be divided into 2 types. One is based on time, and the other is based on user statistics. Time-based work orders can be generated according to a fixed maintenance cycle, and usage-based work orders can be maintained according to different cumulative use units. The annual maintenance service allows users to set a group-based annual maintenance time for the factory or an area. After the time period is set, they can further select the group under the time period and which equipment needs to be repaired. When the conditions are set, a work order will be automatically created. The task detail page of the work order is similar to the other 2 types, and there is no additional learning curve to familiarize with this functionality. To make it easier for managers and maintenance engineers to view the maintenance calendar, we also provide a calendar function to display all the tasks involved, allowing users to view their status in real time. The mobile version of the service mainly provides maintenance engineers and related management teams to update the status of the work order more conveniently in the field, regardless of work location and environment. Users can also view the latest progress and detailed information of the work order at any time. The inbox function provides a view to the pending and completed work orders related to the current logged-in user performing the maintenance. After clicking into each work order, users can view the list of assigned work items for the work order and the corresponding review progress, as well as view the rotation record of the work order. In addition to providing a maintenance calendar on the web version, the mobile version also provides the same service, which greatly facilitates the convenience for personnel to view maintenance work schedules. Finally, I'll introduce you to the software architecture of the maintenance service. As you can see in the figure, maintenance is composed of the basic services of machine C2S, DAS, and the service modules of our I.Apps. At the same time, it also makes full use of the functions of each module to provide relevant management solutions designed for equipment manufacturers. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want more information, please do feel free to contact our local sales.